This video will guide you through on how to perform maintenance for your Anker SOLIX Smart Generator 5500. First, let's review the maintenance schedule list. You can also check the maintenance information via the Anker app. On the home page, tap the Settings icon, then tap Maintenance. Lastly, tap Allow Prompts. Once allowed, the app will notify you if any parts need maintenance or repair. Be sure to regularly maintain your smart generator to keep it performing optimally. Before starting maintenance, make sure to complete the following steps. Make sure to turn the engine switch to off. Remove the maintenance cover. If you receive a maintenance prompt for engine oil, here's how you change it. Start your generator and let it run for a few minutes to increase the temperature. Then, turn the engine switch to off. Raise the generator, then extend the drain hose from the bottom to drain oil. Refill the generator with oil until it reaches the proper level. Wipe the dipstick and remove any spilled oil. Check the oil level on the dipstick. Reinsert the dipstick and tighten the oil cap. Reinstall the maintenance door. Tap Reset in the app to clear and restart the maintenance timer. If you receive a maintenance prompt for air filter, here's how you clean it. First, unscrew the bolts of the air filter. Then, remove the air filter housing. Next, remove the foam air filter element. Clean the foam air filter element. Apply engine oil to the foam air filter element. Place the foam air filter element into the air filter housing. Reattach the air filter cover to its original position and press firmly to ensure it is secured. Lastly, reinstall the maintenance door. Tap Reset in the app to clear and restart the maintenance timer. If you receive a maintenance prompt for spark plug, here's how you clean or adjust it. Start by removing the spark plug cap. Check for any discoloration and clean off carbon deposits. Next, ensure the gap is adequate. Adjust the gap if necessary. Reinstall the spark plug and tighten it. Reinstall the spark plug cap. Lastly, reinstall the maintenance door. Tap Reset in the app to clear and restart the maintenance timer. If you receive a maintenance prompt for spark arrestor, here's how you clean it. First, loosen the bolts. Then, remove the muffler cover, muffler baffle, and spark arrestor. To avoid damaging or scratching them, use a wire brush to gently clear the carbon deposits from the muffler baffle and spark arrestor. Lastly, reinstall all parts in the correct order. Tap Reset in the app to clear and restart the maintenance timer. If you receive a maintenance prompt for fuel filter, here's how you clean it. Start by opening the fuel tank cap. Remove the fuel filter from the fuel tank. Then, clean the fuel filter using a fuel-specific cleaning agent. Wipe the fuel filter before placing it back into the fuel tank. Lastly, reinstall the fuel tank cap securely. Tap Reset in the app to clear and restart the maintenance timer. If you receive a maintenance prompt for valve clearance, here's how you modify it. Start by removing the cylinder head cover. Loosen the 4 bolts on the cylinder head cover. Pull the starter grip until the left intake valve spring is fully extended. Then, adjust the left intake valve clearance as needed. Pull the starter grip until the right exhaust valve spring is fully extended. Then, adjust the right exhaust valve clearance as needed. After adjusting the valve clearance, reassemble all parts that were previously removed. Lastly, reinstall the maintenance door. Tap Reset in the app to clear and restart the maintenance timer. If you experience any of the following issues, it may be time to replace the battery. The battery is sold separately. First, on your old battery, disconnect the negative terminal, followed by the positive terminal. Loosen the bolts and remove the old battery. Then, insert the new battery and reinstall the bolts. Lastly, connect the positive and negative cables to the new battery, following the correct polarity. Tap Reset in the app to clear and restart the maintenance timer. Repairs or cleaning of the following parts should be performed at an authorized service facility. You can also use the app to see when maintenance or cleaning is due. Clean the combustion chamber after every 250 hours of use. Change the gas pipe after every 3 years of use. Change the LPG hose after every 3 years of use. Now, you're all up to speed with the maintenance for your Anker SOLIX Smart Generator 5500.
Anker SOLIX. Live in power.